I left Mount Kailash base camp to cross the Gangdise Mountains. There's a shortcut straight to Yare Township. On the normal route, it's 564 kilometers from Mount Kailash to Yare. Download the offline map before you go. My tire tread is almost completely worn. I've already ridden over 10,000 kilometers. I should change the tires. For peace of mind, I knew there were two possible routes. One heads north from Baga. The other goes north from Gangju village. The Gangju route is supposed to be better. From base camp, ride east about 30 kilometers to Baga. At the sign, keep heading east. Pass Yare Township, then continue 20 kilometers. You'll see the sign for Yare Township. Turn in here. This is where the pavement ends. It starts with gravel and washboard, plus stretches of loose dirt. Now I'm climbing the 5,500-meter Dajiang Pass. Then come endless switchbacks. And right on cue, something went wrong. The middle of this turn was all loose rock. My mind went completely blank. Thank God for the panniers and crash bars. They kept the bike off my leg. I dropped the bike. Just look at this ground. More washboard up ahead. I used to think that was the hard part. Now washboard feels like a gift. Compared with rocks like these. I can't lift it. After more than a dozen switchbacks, I reached Dajiang Pass at 5,500 meters. My tire pressure is probably too high. It's too rough. I'll let some air out. I'll drop it to about 1.9 bars. Then I started descending, but somehow the downhill switchbacks felt easier than the climb. There's even a border checkpoint out here. How are the next 98 kilometers to Yare? Is the road okay? Is it like the road behind me? Any more mountain passes? Oh, it's mostly flat now? Deep gravel like this scares me the most. And sand. The front slides left, the rear slides right, and the whole bike keeps fishtailing. Time for an energy boost. I feel like I'm completely out of strength. Oh my god. Oh crap. I'm screwed. I came across an unknown village, but there wasn't a single person there. Cliffside sections like this scare me most. If I fell against that guardrail, I never get back out. Vegetation on the mountain is a good sign. Without it, the roadside is usually covered in rocks. I think I can see some buildings. Please let them be right up ahead. Crossing complete. No more, yeah. Yeah. Today actually went pretty smoothly, even with one tip over. The weather was perfect. The forecast said it would rain. I originally planned to rest in Burong for a day if it rained. But the weather stayed beautiful. By Luo Guest House, Yare Township. I finally made it. Oh man. How do I open this? It looks locked. It's locked. Nobody's here. Huh. They're not back yet? I gotta open myself. Hello? Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Anybody here? Hello? Is anyone here? Not a single person. First, all my camera gear needs to start charging. The owner told me to hurry. Once the sun goes down, the electricity shuts off. Then I'll be in the dark. I need this light tonight. Everything here runs on solar power. I'm grateful just to have shelter. I can't be picky. Every room has a stove. I can finally sit down and rest. Hey doggy, what are you eating? A meaty bone? So this is the famous Yare Township. The owner went out for a walk. I called and he's coming back now. Oh, there's a little sheep out for a walk too. That building is the township office. It says, the people's desire for a better life is what we strive for? They really have a Tai Chi area and even a sunset bar. So romantic. No slippers in the room. Bring your own. Yare Wholesale Convenience Store. Oh, it's pretty big. They have tons of food. Even fresh vegetables. And drinks. Nice, nice. They even have fruit. Perfect. I want watermelon. Mangoes and cantaloupe too. Yes, I'm alive again. I've got energy again. I'll grab a few apples. And 1 watermelon. Instant noodles and self-heating rice. 1 watermelon and 4 apples. How much? 148? 148 yuan. This almost made me die laughing. I walked into my room and suddenly found a sheep inside. Hi. Hello. You're not supposed to be in here. This place is way too peaceful. Okay. Oh wow, the watermelon was 12 yuan per half kilo. The owner warned me before I bought it. He said, it's 12 yuan per half kilo. I said, that's fine. It's sweet, super sweet. The owner brought water so I could wash my hands. The used water goes right here. It's for washing up. The owner filled a bucket for me, and this is the wash basin. When I'm finished, I dump it into this wastewater bucket. But the bathroom situation is rough. The public restroom is beside the township office. So don't drink too much water at night, or you'll regret it. There are no restaurants here, so I bought a self-heating hot pot and instant noodles. That'll have to be dinner. Tomorrow I'm heading to Rendo, so I'm sleeping early.